Farm Game episode 3. And last time we did this, and what the hell happened? And just know it looks like this. So this is the game. There are coin amounts. We can place some wheat. We can place some potatoes. The thing is, we do have a potato in there. Is that my fans? Is that my fan? As you can see, potato. There's a potato emoji. So I guess when we find a potato, we could just place a potato. Let's look at the first thing. Potato. Place potato in the center. And let's still have sun for that. I guess the sun's not really needed. There isn't a wheat emoji. As you can see. Wheat. There is a wheat emoji. Sheaf of rice.
I mean, that's the
So apparently this is a sheaf of rice. Angela, sen چی خریدی؟ This will work.
اینو خوبه مغازه که باشه 2-3 روز تو مغازه میذارم حالت شو
خوشحالم که اصلا خیلی طول نکشید. فدکس رو میدونم. اوکی. نمره اونو این چیه؟
نه من میگم
USA. نه خب اینو باز کن.
نه بازش نمیم خودم
این چیه؟
اینا یه دیوایسه میتونیم دیوایس این گسکت میشه گسکت یه واشر پلاستیکیه انجین ماشین 2 تا پارته یا 4 تا پارت بین این 2 تا پارتا که به هم میچسبن چون 2 تا متالن یه چیزی میذارم به نام گسکت که این 2 تا رو قشنگ به هم وکیوم میکنه
چیز خودت دیگه نه این رباتی که خودت اونجایی که
باشه؟
آره
سوالم تو یه
رباتی که خودش داشت
So اونم که یه glorified spring
آره
چرا یه glorified spring خریدی؟
این کاستومر داستم
انجام کنه هم که یه جعبه پر گوشی بود
اینو بعد عکس میگیرم بعد دوباره ریپک میکنم
ایماجین کن اونم طوری یه باکس پر گوشی بود Okay, so now that we have wheat placed in it wasn't recording? Yes, I was. Let's put the part out. Thing is, now we can place wheat and gain coins. With 20, we can buy potatoes. It's great. The thing is, we need to first manage to get 10 so we can always have two wheats and get double the amount of cash. Then we are after this we should have enough money to plant 2 wheats. And it takes a very long time, but I think before potatoes I'll put another thing. Pika, blah, blah, you know how this game goes. So I think I'll move the potatoes to, oh yeah, I forgot I placed this. I was gonna compare it, but this kinda just looks weird. That it's all right. So I think I'll just move these page 3. I'll keep it. I'll just delete this, but not the button. Now we go to pointer, which detects buying. Points then equal to a page equals 3. There we go. Page 1, page 2, which is nothing in the page 3, which is potatoes. I think this will be, lowering time. Fully full. Oh, so we're apparently now blind. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Edit. Advanced. Add-ons. Oh yeah. Looking for all on your own documentation. Sorry. There we go. There we go. $5. Huh? So now, if I did this right, we should now have growth speed and potatoes. Okay, I mean, no, that makes sense. But we are going to add a new type of crop, which is gonna make this bigger. We're gonna make beetroot. Yes, because it's really good. I'm kidding. White potato. The beetroot as well. Now, we duplicate show, rospati, beetroot. Then glowing by 16. And go. We don't have a beetroot right now. Application. Okay, we can grab the beetroot emoji. Beetroot. Beetroot. I don't know. Fruit. Beet. Nah, there is no beetroot in there. Check food. There is a sweet potato. I guess we could do sweet potato, but no. I'm a many. Watermelon, no. Grapes. Wash this up and make this grapes. And rename beetroot to grapes. I'm a many grapes. So grapes and blah blah grapes. Alright, now we need to make its button. I'll make another word here. Fit time. Negative fit time. Great. Now we make another one called grapes. $15. Grapes. Now we go to where clones are made. Number of foodstuffs is now 3. I'm a many crewmate. I'm a many X grapes. I feel like I should just delete the X's. They don't really serve a purpose. People will know that you can't use them. Okay, so this is the cleanup game. We have the shop, which is literally so tiny. We have corner, food places, dirt, blah blah blah. The problem is the next thing food place. Let's make this 4 for a demonstration. It's now unplaceable. So then we have to make it. We have to end up or 2. We could have arrows, you know, and this could be renamed to page 1. Page 1 of planters. When I receive page 1 of planters, and you will broadcast page 1 of planters when you first start. This is a genius 500 IQ play. This literally breaks scratch. The problem is we now have 7 clones. Where do those clones come from? I have basically no idea. Delete and delete all. The problem is I do not know where clones are made. I guess we can delete this. Guess we can copy the costume. Delete it. Then in here, delete this sprite, not this sprite. I'm a many. Go to here. Go to here. I'm getting 5 clicked. Go to here. And remove this collision. Longer. So now we have this. Now that it goes into this position, it makes a block. Clones for arrows. Meh. Clones for arrow. Then when it makes clones for arrow, it can be defined as it will first create a clone of myself, and then I think this would be good, suitable. So 209, 143, 209, 143. 209 minus 143. That's a difference of 66. So we'll change x by 66. Create clone of myself. Show switch costume 1. This will then do the next costume. This is flipped. Costume 2. Okay, perfect. Now these guys don't actually work. When I start as a clone, how it work? First of all, we'll make these. It actually works. But when I start as a clone, if this will be forever, if then and touching pointer and mouse down, it'll check if equals 1. What equals 1? Costume number. Change page by 1. So now page. Oh god, I forgot to add the delay. And then wait 0.1 seconds. Stop. First of all, let's go into the shop sprite. Forever, if greater than, and this will be page. This will be page, which is currently 3. Set page to 3. So now, 1, 2, 3, 4. The thing is, I actually. So again, I don't like the delay, so set page. Without screen flash, of course. Set page. I think the set page should be, yeah, it's good. Broadcast set page. And we already have one for less. Now with the block, still has a bit of a delay. Okay. Let's add a or. delete you and run you back. We have to delete you equal to 3 page. So now we have a basic, and do not go past this sprite. And my mouse is forever in the weird arrow position. Mouse cursor, set cursor to default, please. There we go. Bet or arrows. And go back to here. If I'll make a new one. Forever if touching arrows, which costume 2, click. If touching arrows and food equals 1, which item 2, and item. So there we go. Now we have clicking. Clicking. You can't get this. Can't get that. So now I have click for item. Okay, this is actually going pretty good. I have not tested the literal backbone of this. The grapes. I have not tested grapes. So let's give myself 100 coins. Clickable. Clickable does nothing. So if we're in here, the thing is, if we go into the place that literally codes food, this is still set to 2. So 3. Clickable item. Can we actually plant it? We can plant grapes. Grapes now exist. So the thing is, we now have grapes. Everything is good. So how long have we it's been almost half an hour. And you know me, I record for like in half an hour. Let's record. Anyways, what should we add? A new item. Because I don't want people just immediately getting grapes. Just like we did with potatoes. So seeing in here, as this is where we coded potato. Let's see where we coded potato. We only made it work with the X's. And potato unlocked. Control Z. Potato unlocked equals 1. Now I can actually click on potatoes. You can literally click on potatoes with nothing. As you can see, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the? I quit. Lingangu, water, lingangu, 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 water, lingangu, I quit. Lingangu, 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 water, lingangu. Alright, let's make a new one called grape. Unlocked. Which will pretty much always be at 0, as you can literally never get it. First of all, I'll place it here. Grapes unlocked, 0, and let's just flap. Blah blah blah, clap, slap, wrap. So now we have a grapes, but we have not yet coded their sprite. Let's draw grapes. So this is what we have to draw. It looks like just a bowling lane. It looks like just 6 balls and a wire with a leaf. So I'll try to draw it. Circle, and then we'll just Control C, Control V it up. I'm right by your side. Follow you around. Adventure, here we come. Let's go now. Here we do some tasks. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm right by your side. It looks like it should be rotated like 90 degrees, like this. Pick me up, let me follow you around. Adventure, here we go. Let's go now. Can we do some tasks? Be so much fun. Many, right by your side. Adventure, here we Okay, then the leaf. Like a darker shade. Can't I just boom, boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow? Yes, I can do that. Boom, bam, Control Z, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow. Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, bada bop, boom. Pow. I'm a mini crewmate. Find me right by your side. Have a time of fun. Pick me up. Let's go now. I first noticed this. Can we do some tasks now? So much fun. Many crewmates. Keep on around. Adventure, here we come. Well, that's my best where you can do another grape. Yeah. Let's group it. Make it tinier. And then, if I can, center it. Yeah, center looks bad. Yeah, that's better. And 30 bucks. So let's go back into the pointer and add the grape on the market. This swarm of thing. If else, duplicate you, turn you into an F. Grapes unlocked. Variable 2, 1. Grapes unlocked should be 1. This should be 30, and this should be 30, and this should be 4. Okay, so hip hop, hip how, hip it all. So now let's just delete this grape. Boom, boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow, bada bop, boom, pow. Oh yeah, in the shop we have this set 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. I'll make a variable called max page. Boom, bam, bop, bop, boom, pow. And instead make you guys the max page. As this should be better. Now, you can just change max page. Now, so I forgot to change the number. Cancel. Well, we have 9 clones now, and only... Oh yeah, we have 7 things. We have 9 clones now. When will we get to 300? I absolutely do not know. But this will require some non-scratch blocks. Why do you think I built it in TurboWarp? Because of mouse cursor. But in the next episode, we'll add a new type of things. New types of food. And we'll add some new variables. We'll add some new blocks that you have not seen. Clone count. It shows clone count. But stop scripts stop delete clones in dirt, which going into dirt. One of the biggest ones with 4 out of all the clones. Deleting the clones in yourself. You around adventure, here we come. Let's go around. Can we do some tasks now? This is gonna be so much fun. Did I never code back? I never coded back. Oh, boom, bam, bop. The bop, boom. Pow. We still have the, oh, snazzy. But I am going to go back into the shop sprite. And if page less than or equal to lowest pig. Mini crewmate, find me right by your side, having the time of my life. Let me follow you around. Adventure, here we come. Let's go around. Can we do some tasks now? This is gonna be so much fun. Mini crewmate, find me right by your side, having the time of my life. Anyways, I think that's the end of this episode. Now, we gotta finish adding delete clones myself. We will never have children clothes. So, no. So, this was a lot of fun, so, bye.